Monkeys aren't rivals to chimps. They're food. And they've noticed something in the treetops. The Ngogo group doesn't tolerate other chimps in their territory. Monkeys aren't rivals to chimps. They're food. Meat is a welcome source of nourishment for chimps, but that's not its only value. The sharing of meat is important socially and politically. Jackson shares with his allies. At the same time, he purposely leaves others out. A victorious patrol and a successful hunt. Today has been a good day for Jackson and for the Ngogo chimpanzees.